Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am a subject teacher of social study and in our last video we have discussed about chapter number 13 means of transport, that is part 1, and in this video we also discussed about the parts of chapter number 13, that is parts 2. So students, in your previous class, we have studied about transport, land transport, roadways, and railways. And now in this video, we are going to discuss about the water transport, air transport, and selecting our means of transport. So look at the water transport. Water transport is one of the oldest modes of transport. It is also one of the cheapest modes. Boat, steamers and ships are the means of water transport. So student, water transport is the oldest modes of transport. It is the oldest modes of transport, oldest medium of transport, and it is also one of the cheapest mode. And water transport is the oldest and the cheapest medium of transport, and boat, steamers and ships are the means of water transport. So student, when you can travel on water, then you can use, you have to use boat, steamer and ship, because these are the only three means of water transport. Now look at the next paragraph. People use boat to cross rivers, ship carry peoples and goods across seas and oceans. They are best suited to carry heavy and bulky goods like oil and food grains. They load and unload goods and people at port. So student, nowadays people use boat. People use boat to cross river. Nowadays, people use boats to cross rivers, and ships carry people and goods across seas and ocean. So student, you can see people use ships to cross seas and oceans, and the ships can carry people and goods across seas and oceans. They are best suited to carry heavy and bulky goods like oil and food grains. They load and unload goods and people at ports. So student, with the help of ship, you can carry heavy and bulky goods like oil and food grains. So student, the governments of any country export any food items or any goods and material with the help of ships, and import with the help of ships. So student, import and export can be done with the help of ships, because they carry the heavy and bulky goods, and the ships load and unloaded goods and people at port. So now look at the next, air transport. Next is air transport. Transportation by air is one of the most modern mode of transport. It is also the fastest and most expensive. Aeroplane and helicopter are means of air transport. So student, air transport is the modern means of transport, and it is the fastest and the most expensive means of transport. Aeroplane and helicopter are the medium of air transports. Next paragraph. Aeroplanes fly from airports. The larger plane can carry hundreds of passengers at a time. They can cover long distance in a very short time. So most people traveling from one country to another use aeroplane. So student, aeroplane fly from airports. Airports is the place where the aeroplane land and where aeroplane land and take off from airports. So aeroplane fly from airport. The larger plane, the aeroplane is very large. They can carry a large number of people at a time, and they can cover a long distance at a short period, at a short time. So most people traveling from one country to another through aeroplane. Now look at the next paragraph. Helicopters. Helicopters are used mainly for military purpose to send food, clothes and medicine to places affected by floods or earthquake. They are also used to reach places that cannot be reached by buses, trains or aeroplanes like highly mountainous region. So student, helicopters are mainly used for military purpose, like they send and to send food, clothes and medicine to the flood and earthquake affected areas. And they are also used to reach places where the road transport are unable to reach, like mountainous region. So student, they are also used to reach places that cannot be reached by roadways, like highly mountainous regions. So now look at the next topic, that is selecting our means of transport. Your next topic is selecting our means of transport. So what factor affect and select our means of transport? Thus you see that there are several mode and means of transport. When we travel, we choose the means that are best. Our choice depend upon the following factor. So student, there are several means of transport like road, railway, air and water. And when we travel, then we choose the means of transport which are suitable for us and which are best for us. So our choice depend upon the following factors. So look at the first factors. Where we want to go. Where you want to go, it is also the first factor that affect the choice of transport. Some places cannot be reached by road. We might have to travel by air or water to reach them. On the other hand, some places can only be reached by road. So student, some places people cannot reach some places by road and by air and water to reach them. So on the other hand, some places can only be reached by road. So student, where you want to go is one of the first factor that affect the means of transport. It means some places cannot be reached by road and some places cannot be travel by air. So all these are depend upon where you want to go. The places you want to go are the first factor that affect the selecting or means of transport. Next, the distance we need to travel. If we need to travel long distance or across oceans to another country, only trains, aeroplanes or ships would be able to take us there. So student, the distance we need to travel is the second factor that affect selecting our means of transport. It means when we travel at a long distance, then we can choose train, bus and aeroplane. When we want to travel at very short distance, then we can take auto, bike, scooters, etc. So student, distance we need to travel, the distance we need to travel is also a second factor that affect the selecting or means of transport. So now look at the how much time we have. If we need to reach a place urgently, we will choose a faster means of transport like an aeroplane instead of a train or a ship. So student, if we need to reach a place urgently, if we want to reach a place very urgently, then we need to choose a faster means of transport like aeroplanes instead of train or ship. Next, how much money we can spend. So student, how much money we can spend is also a factor that affect our selecting our means of transport, because if we have less money and we choose a cheaper means of transport like bus or train, and if we have sufficient money, then we can choose aeroplane, as air travel is very expensive. So these are the points that affect during the selecting our means of transport. So student, I hope you all are understood about the water transport, air transport and selecting our means of transport. So you have to read and learn about water transport, air transport and selecting our means of transport. This is your today's homework. So that's all, and thank you.